Our planet Earth, teeming with life, faces an inevitable end. This vibrant blue sphere, home to countless species and ecosystems, is not immune to the cosmic forces that govern the universe. It's a sobering thought, but one that sparks curiosity and wonder. As we gaze up at the stars, we can't help but ponder our place in the cosmos and the future that awaits us. When will this cosmic curtain fall? Will it be a sudden event or a gradual decline? The mysteries of the universe keep us questioning and exploring. The answer, shrouded in the vastness of time and space, remains uncertain. The universe operates on a scale that is difficult for the human mind to comprehend. However, exploring the possibilities takes us on a thrilling journey through science, religion, and philosophy. Each discipline offers unique insights and theories about the end of our world. Let's embark on this exploration together. As we traverse through different landscapes and ideas, we gain a deeper understanding of our planet's fate. As we delve into the future, we uncover the potential scenarios that could spell the end for life as we know it. From natural cosmic events to human-made catastrophes, the possibilities are vast and varied. We'll examine the science behind the sun's eventual demise, a fiery fate that awaits our planet billions of years from now. The life-giving star that sustains us will one day become a red giant, engulfing the inner planets. We'll also confront the pressing issue of climate change, a human-made threat that could drastically alter life on Earth within our lifetimes. The impact of our actions on the environment is undeniable and urgent. But our journey doesn't end there. Beyond the scientific and environmental aspects, we must also consider the cultural and spiritual dimensions of our planet's fate. We'll venture beyond the realm of science, exploring how various religions and mythologies have envisioned the end times. These stories and beliefs offer a rich tapestry of perspectives on the ultimate fate of our world. From apocalyptic prophecies to tales of divine intervention, we'll uncover the rich tapestry of beliefs surrounding Earth's ultimate fate. Join us as we navigate through these profound and thought-provoking ideas, seeking to understand the destiny of our planet. Deep within the heart of our solar system, a giant clock is ticking. This clock, however, doesn't measure minutes or hours, but eons and epochs. It is the sun, our life-giving star, and its time is finite. The sun, our life-giving star, won't shine forever. It has been burning for about 4.6 billion years, and it has enough fuel to last for another 5 billion years. But what happens when that fuel runs out? As it ages, the sun's core will gradually run out of hydrogen, the fuel that sustains its nuclear fusion. This depletion will mark the beginning of a dramatic transformation. This process, estimated to occur in about 5 billion years, will have catastrophic consequences for Earth. The changes will be slow but inevitable, altering the very fabric of our solar system. Without hydrogen, the sun will begin to fuse helium, a heavier element. This shift in fusion will generate even more energy, causing the sun to expand. This will cause the sun to expand dramatically, transforming it into a red giant star. Its outer layers will swell, reaching out into the solar system. As the sun swells, it will engulf Mercury and Venus, the two innermost planets. These planets will be consumed by the sun's fiery embrace. Earth's fate remains uncertain, but the outlook is grim. The intense heat and radiation will make survival difficult, if not impossible. Even if Earth escapes direct engulfment, the sun's increased luminosity will have dire consequences. The planet will be subjected to extreme temperatures. The rising temperatures will boil away our oceans, turning our planet into a scorching, uninhabitable wasteland. Life as we know it will cease to exist. This process could begin much sooner than the red giant phase, perhaps within 1 billion years. The clock is ticking, and the end is inevitable. While the sun's demise may seem like a distant threat, there's a more immediate danger facing life on Earth: climate change. Driven by human activities, primarily the burning of fossil fuels, climate change is altering our planet's delicate balance at an alarming rate. The consequences of unchecked climate change are far-reaching. Rising sea levels threaten coastal cities and island nations. Extreme weather events such as hurricanes, droughts, and wildfires are becoming more frequent and intense. Ecosystems are collapsing, putting countless species at risk of extinction. While climate change may not necessarily lead to the complete annihilation of life on Earth, it has the potential to cause widespread devastation and reshape the planet as we know it. It's a stark reminder that we hold the fate of our planet in our hands. Our journey through potential apocalypses doesn't end with the sun and climate change. The cosmos, while vast and awe-inspiring, also harbors potential threats to life on Earth. Asteroids, those remnants from the early solar system, pose a significant risk. A large asteroid impact, similar to the one that wiped out the dinosaurs 66 million years ago, could have catastrophic consequences. The impact would release unimaginable amounts of energy, triggering widespread fires, tsunamis, and a global dust cloud that would block out the sun, plunging Earth into a prolonged period of darkness and cold. While the probability of such an impact is relatively low, the potential consequences are so severe that we cannot ignore the threat. Fortunately, scientists are actively searching for potentially hazardous asteroids and developing strategies to deflect them if necessary. Section 5. Religious Perspectives. End Times Narratives. Throughout history, humans have grappled with the idea of the end of the world. Religions and mythologies around the globe offer a diverse array of narratives about the end times, often involving divine intervention, apocalyptic events, and the judgment of humanity. In Christianity, the Book of Revelation describes a period of tribulation followed by the second coming of Christ, the resurrection of the dead, and the establishment of a new heaven and a new earth. Islam speaks of the Day of Judgment, when all souls will be judged by Allah and assigned to either paradise or hell. Hindu cosmology is cyclical, with periods of creation, preservation, and destruction. The end of a cycle involves the destruction of the universe, followed by its rebirth. These narratives, while diverse in their details, reflect a common human fascination with the ultimate fate of our world and ourselves. Section 6. Philosophical Reflections, Meaning and Morality. The contemplation of Earth's inevitable end raises profound philosophical questions. What is the meaning of life in the face of its ultimate extinction? What is our responsibility to our planet and future generations, knowing that it will eventually meet its demise? Existentialist philosophers argue that the inevitability of death, including the eventual end of all life on Earth, underscores the importance of living authentically in the present moment. We are free to create our own meaning and purpose, even in a universe that may be indifferent to our existence. Environmental ethics compels us to consider our moral obligations to the natural world, even in the face of its eventual demise. Do we have a duty to preserve biodiversity and protect the planet for as long as possible? Or is our primary responsibility to alleviate suffering and ensure the well-being of current and future generations? Section 7. Our Cosmic Significance, a Tiny Blue Dot. As we explore the potential endings of life on Earth, it's helpful to step back and consider our place in the grand scheme of the cosmos. From a cosmic perspective, Earth is but a tiny blue dot, a fragile oasis of life in the vastness of space. This realization can be both humbling and awe-inspiring. It reminds us of the preciousness and fragility of life, and the interconnectedness of all things in the universe. It also highlights the vastness of what we don't know, and the endless possibilities that lie beyond our current understanding. While our time on this planet may be finite, our capacity for curiosity, exploration, and wonder knows no bounds. As we continue to explore the universe and unravel its mysteries, we gain a deeper appreciation for the remarkable journey of life on Earth, however long it may last. Section 8. Protecting our pale blue dot. A call to action. The end of life on Earth may be inevitable, but the timing and circumstances are not entirely out of our control. We have the power to influence the future, to shape the destiny of our planet through our actions and decisions today. Every small step we take towards sustainability, every effort we make to reduce our impact, contributes to a larger collective movement towards a healthier Earth. We have a responsibility to protect our pale blue dot, not just for ourselves, but for all future generations of life that may follow in our footsteps. This responsibility extends beyond our immediate surroundings and into the broader ecosystem that supports all life on Earth. By nurturing our environment, we ensure that the beauty and diversity of our world can be enjoyed by those who come after us. We can address climate change by transitioning to cleaner energy sources, reducing our carbon footprint, and promoting sustainable practices. Renewable energy technologies like wind and solar power offer us a path to a more sustainable future. By investing in these technologies, we can reduce our dependence on fossil fuels and decrease the greenhouse gas emissions that drive climate change. We can support scientific research to identify and mitigate cosmic threats like asteroid impacts. By funding and encouraging space exploration and research, we can better understand the potential dangers that lie beyond our atmosphere and develop strategies to protect our planet from these threats. And we can foster a sense of global citizenship and responsibility for our planet's well-being. By coming together as a global community, we can share knowledge, resources, and strategies to address environmental challenges. This collective effort can lead to more effective solutions and a stronger commitment to preserving our planet. The end of life on Earth, whenever it may come, should not be a cause for despair, but rather a call to action. It is a reminder that we have the power to make a difference, to leave a positive legacy for future generations. By taking action now, we can create a world that is resilient, vibrant, and full of life. Let us cherish the time we have on this planet, protect its precious resources, and embrace the beauty and wonder that surrounds us. Every moment we spend in nature, every effort we make to conserve and protect it, is a step towards a brighter future, and ensure that life can thrive for as long as possible. By preserving the natural habitats and ecosystems that support diverse forms of life, we can maintain the delicate balance that sustains our planet. The future of Earth, for now, remains in our hands. It is up to us to decide what kind of world we want to leave behind. Let us rise to the challenge and take meaningful action to protect and preserve our precious home.